Farmers Organic. My name is Abe, and we have something awesome for you today. Introducing a sneak peek of our limited edition September celebration kit. The kit includes a body scrub, a lip scrub, a soap, and a loofah. The soap that we have is our one-of-a-kind Belize flag seaweed soap. This soap is scented with jasmine essential oil, naturally colored with mica, and fun fact, this soap took 3 days for us to make. The soap is included in the September celebration kit. It is limited edition. The September celebration kit is for $40. If you would like the shea body butter to be in the September celebration kit as well, the cost will be $75. Place your order with us today. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we are on WhatsApp as well. Call us, get in touch with us, place your order for our limited edition September celebration kit, and be patriotic this September with our September celebration kit with the Belize flag. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Alberts